Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you 5 best hidden secret tricks for your AirPods. So what you have to do, let's start. So first of all guys, I'll start with the LED. As you know, your AirPod have charging LED and it glows yellow or green, or you can say amber, right? So do you know in the new latest update, the charging LED blinks. So what it do, let's say if it's green, that means it's fully charged. But if it's like amber and stable amber, that means it needs to be charged, but it have some power. But if it's blinking amber light, that means this is dead and you have to charge this AirPods in order to use this. So in my case, I can't see the LED because the reason being is I have the AirPods 2 case on AirPods 3 and the LED is covered by the case. So that's the reason I cannot see the LED, but I have to remove the case. As you guys can see here, maybe you can see the green LED there, right? So this is the first trick that you can check. I have a screenshot I might be able to show you. Let me take a look in my Photos app. I just took a screenshot today. As you guys can see here, charging AirPods, that would say charging case would give you the orange light, right? And charge case will give you the blinking orange light, and the charged AirPods will give you the green stable light. So make sure you check this thing, and then you will have pause media when fall asleep feature in your AirPods. Just turn this on. If you don't know how you can turn it on, go to the AirPods or go to your iPhone settings, just plug in your AirPods in your ear, and then you can see here AirPods are connected, and here you can see all the options. Then you can customize into your features here. So camera remote, you can use your AirPods as a camera control. You can just simply plug in your AirPods in and open the camera, and you can take pictures from your AirPods. So as you guys can see here, I just pressed on my AirPods stem and it took a picture, and now I have a photo here and it took a bus shot. You can also change it to the press and hold option, so you can choose it according to yourself. As you guys can see here, now let's jump to answer call, unmute and mute call, and end call. So I don't like it to set at the press once, because I would like to set it, I would like to choose the press once for ending and answering the phone call. End call is press once, that's good. Answer the phone call is press one. I don't want it pressed twice. Camera control turned on. Personalized volume turned on. Adjust the volume in media in response to your environment, so it will like check the surroundings and personalize the volume. Conversation awareness will reduce the song volume, whatever is playing in your AirPod, while you start speaking to someone else. Adaptive audio is good. Customize adaptive audio. Automatic ear detection, turn that option on. And now you have other options. Now there is a new feature called transliteration or translation, which is in beta. You can download the language and set to you, and whenever a person, let's say someone is speaking French in front of you and you have turned on translation, your AirPods will give you the English or the language you have set. So you guys can see here, turn on the optimized charge limit and charging notification. That will notify you that your AirPods have been fully charged, or if they need to be charged, like this. Optimized charge limit on your AirPods 3 will charge to an optimized limit. So these kinds of things. Now you can turn on accessibility and just choose all the options, and then you guys can see here, you in the AirPods Pro 3 you will see heart rate feature that will calculate your calories burnt about your heart rate, and you have all the features and your warranty period. So these were the all new features in your AirPods 3 and AirPods Pro 3. I hope you guys like this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.